should be done by considering proper kala and matra. Now the question arises, what is upasthita dosha? Chakrapani commented that upasthita doshanam iti shaka taktva koshta agamanena tata leenatvam parityagena pradhana avastha prapta doshanam iti, which means shaka tektva, doshas which left the shaka, that is periphery region, koshta agamanena, that is which moving towards koshta, leenatva parityagena, have lost their deep seated or adherence, pradhanavastha prapta, attained the qualities to be expelled. Overall meaning, doshas which have left the shaka and moving towards the koshta and have lost adherence and attained the qualities to be expelled or considered as upasthita doshas. Doshanusara shodhana. Vamaye